Yo. So we're doing this thing called trading, and since this is a educational financial stream, let's start off with the preface that this is not financial advice. In fact, my advice would be not to trade. I don't recommend this to anybody. I only recommend it to people who are willing to do the work, willing to put in the time, and willing to make the effort. It's not for everyone. 95% of the people who try to trade will fail. You will absolutely fail because it requires a lot of discipline, a lot of education, and a whole stinking lot of time and money. Money in the form that you may lose a lot of money, and money in the form that it also requires a lot of money to educate yourself. Mess this up. Hold on. Trying to get this screen small enough so we can see all these numbers here. Okay. You will have to educate yourself, and you will be paying for your education, whether that be through courses, through videos, mentorships even. I can recommend a mentor. You can head over to Jasper Forex with Jean. He's the guy who's mentoring me right now, and very, very smart. I would almost say almost punk rock when it comes to trading, because his strategy is going against the grain. So if you like punk rock, if you like Bad Religion, you'll get that reference to go against the grain, trading and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. That's my advice, and that's the preface. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm learning as well. So you can see what we were doing last time. We were in this zone right here, this orange square right there. We had just finished, and I was waiting for price to come back down to this area, and lo and behold, it came back down, and we are now at it. I was doing a little bit of practice before I started this video, and then I decided I thought I might have time later, but I don't think I'm going to have time later to trade or to stream and trade. So I just wanted to get this stream put out there so that I could get it started for the new year in our first video. And this is just me practicing. We are practicing on Forex Tester. We used to use, let me see, we used to use this right here. We used to use that. What is this? I can't remember what it is. I'm drawing a blank. We used to use Trading View to practice testing, but it didn't really allow for the strategy that we use, scalping. So I moved some money around, called a couple people, sold a couple things, and put enough money together to buy Forex Tester 5. And this is how I practice now. So price has touched down right here, and what I've drawn here is trying to kind of pinpoint where the buyers and the sellers are. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a buyer right here who just took the price up, and then price retraced a little bit, and then that buyer came back and took the price up, and it hit a ceiling. So we hit resistance right here, and then the sellers came in and took the price down, hit support and bounced, and then the seller took the price down again, and then seller took the price down again back to where the buyer is probably waiting to put in some more buy orders. So that's where we're at now. We got Tokyo about to start right here. So we got here's the London market, New York, and then Tokyo is about to start. So you can see the pattern is blue, green, orange, blue, green, orange, blue, green, orange. And so now we're waiting for blue, which marks the opening of Tokyo. And we have over here our 1 minute chart that is all of this, all the it basically just lines up with the 1 hour. So we're looking at 1 minute. Every minute a new bar is drawn, and on the 1 hour, every hour a new bar is drawn. So we can go ahead and get this party started. I'm going to go ahead and push play right there, and we will see what happens. Oh, so just to get started, we are expecting price. I'm kind of expecting price to bounce up from here, just because of history here. So we had a seller come in, but then the buyers were coming in hot. So this is from the year. Let's adjust the windows. There we go. All right. And it flipped everything around. Okay, so now the 1 hour chart is on this side and the 1 minute chart is over here. Whereas before we had them on the opposite windows. But that's fine. We adapt. So this right here, why can't I move it? Oh, okay. So this line right here matches up with this line right here, and we just can't exactly. Maybe we can bring it up. There we go. So this line is in the same spot. See, 9444, 9444, and it's just a little magnified. So let's go ahead now and we'll push play. What we're going to do is we are going in and we are buying when the Tokyo market opens. So let's see. Here it comes. This may be it. This might be Tokyo market should, hold on, what's going on here? Tokyo market is not showing on find the indicator. What do we have here? Is this a weekend? January 8th. What is 2001? Okay, so this is 2001. January 8th. So it's January 8th of 2001. Let's find out what date that is. Good grief, I'm just trying to find out what day. It's a Monday. So Tokyo should have opened. I don't know why it's not highlighted here. That's got me a little bit. They really got to work out the bugs in this in the Forex tester. There's a lot of glitch. See, like right here, you can't see the price. That happens once in a while. And I don't want to just close everything and open. The indicator isn't working, and that's a little frustrating. But let's just continue. Okay, so right now we know that we're in the Tokyo market. Tokyo was opened. We're going for a buy because we're expecting it to bounce off here. And as you can see, price is going up. So I'm going to go ahead and buy these buy. Come on, what is going? Oh, okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy the green or the black candles, the bearish candles. Let's put it that way. So we'll open this, pause it so we can place our order, buy, set our stop loss at 350 points, which is 35. Actually, I'm going to take that down to 300 points to make it just an even 30 pips, and we'll keep that the same. So there is our take profit. And let's go ahead and buy. So now we have the buy. This is where we bought in at, the green line right there. And this is where our take profit is, the red line right there. And then down here is our stop loss. If price starts heading in that direction, we will kill it. Kill that order. Loss or profit, we'll see. And now we'll push play and we'll see how it goes. And it is not going in the right direction. It's going in the wrong direction. And we have a choice to make. It's not bad. It's still in the zone where we're expecting it to bounce. So I mean, what should we do? I feel like I'm gonna let it play. I'm gonna let it go. And hope for the best. There we go. Well, that is what I like to see. See, when you see these big candles right here, that's a good sign, because that means the buyers they're around. Because we have all these sellers, like no action right here, sideways, and then bam, the buyers are showing up. So I like that. And I wish this was, there we go. So we have some action coming in. All right, so see, we have it working right here. We have the charts working there. Let's see if we can get it to work on our 1 minute time frame. 1 minute, 1 hour, 5 minute, apply. There we go. That would have been helpful earlier. Ah, this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right, so now we're just negative $2, so there's still room to go up. So we'll go ahead and keep going. Oh, you know what? I took it off this chart on purpose. So I can, because we can't really see it all that good. That's why I didn't put it on the 1 minute chart. My bad. Anyway, let's continue. It's heading for our take profit. We got another bounce coming in. Will it bounce? Okay, the buyers, there's an interest in that price down there. Right here, we have an interest in this price where it keeps hitting, the buyers taking it up. Hits, buyers taking it up. So a smarter move would have been to open these orders down here, because I could have collected going up. There was I put the order too high. You see, that was my mistake, is I went in too high. Could have put the order down here and gone up. Could have put the orders in right here and collected. Put the orders in right here and collected. But instead, I opened my buy order at the worst possible place, at the top. And that's all right. We'll just wait. Let's see. I mean, we got buyers here and we got resistance up here, so we're looking for price to at least come to this point before anything else happens. So let's go ahead and just keep playing it out. Keep playing it out. Let's see. I'm almost tempted to, I'm gonna go ahead and open another buy order. So let's set our stop loss and our take profit, and we'll see what happens. Right now we are at 100% of our margin. So this is not good. It's a terrible trade. This is extremely reckless, I guess we could say. But right now I'm focusing on exiting losing trades, before they become worse. And that's why in our $500 account, I only have $200 because I'm still trying to get better at closing losing trades instead of letting the losers run, which is something bad that I do. I let losers run all the way to stop. Dropped my water. Give me 1 second. I like to talk with my hands. I don't know why. Getting a lot of dropped frames. What's going on here? Oh, see, that might be one of the problems. Okay. All right, so we have an order here now. That should... see, so we got one order right here. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this indicator off. Indicators for the 1 minute session. Delete. There we go. All right. So now we can see. So I got an order right here. And I have an order up here at the top, the green lines right there and the green dash dots. So let's see how it works. Bam, first one closed. Perfect. I think I'm going to open another order. Another buy. So we're going up, expecting price to bounce off of this green line. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's see what happens. Push play. Let the market run. There we go. Come on, up just and we're closed. Yes. 3 profitable trades right now. So that took us from 209, I believe, to 214. These should have been $3 each. So yeah, about I think we were at 204 actually. But we can even see what our $3, $3. So we're trading for like $1 a pip right now. Which is not bad. Not bad, but it's terrible for a $200 account. And this is simulation. This isn't real. The prices are real, but the money isn't. Money is make believe. So we have price going up, and our goal is right here. Let's see if we can make an ellipse. This is our goal right there. That's where we're headed for. I'm aiming for that. So we're gonna wait and see if we can get another bearish candle on the 1 minute chart. So let's zoom in. All right, so we have, let's go to the 5 minute chart and see how that looks. All right. So we have a buyer at about right here. We have a buyer who's taking the price up, and it looks like price might go up. So I'm gonna expect I'm gonna buy on a bearish candle right there. We got this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and place buy, and let's see what happens. Okay, before I continue, price where it's at right now still has a chance. I'm trying to, okay, so price bounced off here, so there is still a chance that it could come down to support again. So there's still a chance that price could come back here right there before it goes up, because it could bounce off support. It could break up and then bounce off support. I mean, it could even break down. We're just playing probabilities here. So if it comes down, I think I'm willing to hold, and I'll probably close it if it breaks below this. I'll close it, but I am willing to hold and draw down up to this point. So let's go. See, there it goes. Oof. It's not what I wanted to see. But I should have expected it. And we are about to go. Okay, so we have the London market about to open. See, so Tokyo's coming to an end. There's a huge bearish move right before the London market opens. So what I'm expecting to see is when London opens, I'm expecting to see that price go up. People are going to just start buying the euro. So let's see if I'm right. And hopefully we can get out of this terrible trade. Might even put in a new order. Probably, if I was smart, I would have opened a buy right here at the bottom. But equity margin. Well, yeah, that would have really squeezed me. So yeah, maybe shouldn't have. I mean, another thing I could have done is just closed it and reopened, and there we go. So that was terrible way to make $3, right? Because at one point I think I was down $20 to make $3. But if I had a bigger account, or if I was using smaller size, like instead of a 0.10 or 0.1, if I was using like 0.02, I could have just placed in like 20 orders right here, bam, 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 and then just collect it on the way up. So we'll try that. Next time we buy, I'm gonna decrease my size, and I'll show you how we can just throw out a bunch of, it's like a fishing net of orders, and then we just grab them on the way up. So we'll try. I'll try and show that how that works. So let's try that. Still expecting price to come up to here. So we are, but you see price, like I said, price was going to come down and it bounced up again. And if I was just more patient or just a little bit smarter, I would have waited for that to happen instead of opening a buy order. The other thing too is if I would have opened the buy order here, I could have opened it with no take profit and then just rode the horse, I guess. Rode the horse all the way up. And this would have been more than 3 pips. I don't even know how much, and I don't know where the measuring tool is. Measuring tool. Yeah, I think we were looking for it last time and I couldn't find it. But let's continue. So we are aiming for this spot. And it's probably going to happen during... Okay, why is the... Oh man, that's right. List of indicators on the 1 hour. Let's see. So can we... What's going on here? List of indicators. Time frames 1 hour. Apply. There we go. But, oh, okay, because we're still in the Tokyo market. So we are going to, there we go. Exactly what we're looking for. So if we buy, open a buy order at a smaller size, let's say 0.2 instead of, oh wait, not 0.2. Oh, I don't think we can go smaller than that, can we? We can't go 0.01, 0.02. No, I don't want that. What? 0.02. Okay, so we'll go there and stop loss, take profit, and open. And if it goes lower, we can open more. so we can open more, because we still have free margin. We still have $196 free margin, and our margin level is 1,000 instead of 100. So the further away our margin level is from 100%, the better it is for us. And the more free margin we have, the more room we have to play. Like the more loss we can take, the more drawdown we can afford to sit in, and the more trades we can open. So right now I have one trade open. I'm going to go ahead and open another buy order at 0.02. So now we have two buys open. Let me get some of that water I knocked over. And let's see what happens. Price, bam, we got one closed, and then I'm going to open again. Can open another order. And I'm going, if it goes down again, I'm opening another order. All right, let's open another order. See, so now I have 3 orders open. One here, one here, one here. The thing about, though, when you decrease your size, you decrease the amount of profit you can make. So where we were making $3 before, now we are making 60 cents at 0.02. Every trade is worth 60 cents. So that's why you open more trades that way. And you kind of, it's kind of like fishing. You throw out a fishing net and you collect some good trades and you miss some trades. But this is, it's a good way to build discipline, build understanding, and not blow up your account immediately. And so we'll continue doing this. Plus, we have the expectation that price is going to come up to here. That price is coming here. Why is it trying to... whatever. We have the expectation that price is coming up to here. So we're going to stack all these trades that are coming down with the expectation that price will eventually come up. And then at this rate, what is it like? Our stop loss. If our trade does hit the stop loss, we're not losing $30 or $15. We're losing like just a couple bucks. So it's easier to manage emotionally, and it's easier on your account also. You just can't go crazy. You just can't place trades everywhere. That's why I placed a trade up here. When price came down again, I placed a trade right there. When price came down again, I placed another trade. So you're placing your trades at certain points. So that's why I say you're buying. This is that's what John told me. You know, you're buying the green candle, or you're selling to the green candle, or you're buying from the red candles, with the expectation that price is going to reverse. I was going to say, it's pretty punk rock when you think about it. A lot of, when you start trading, a lot of the internet gurus will tell you the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend so long as you know where the trend begins and where the trend ends, which is you never know. The trend, by the time you jump on the trend, it's already over. So this kind of gets you in front of the next trend or the next big move. That's why I say you gotta check out this guy. He's very insightful. Anyway, let's push play and see what happens. Ooh, stop loss. Ooh, stop loss hit. All right, I'm curious to see how much that was. Let's find out. That stop loss was $6 as opposed to $22, $18, and $12. $6. It's very manageable. The thing is, we just gotta be a little smarter about it. so we can see, maybe reassess our position. Did it break this area? And is it going to the next zone? Is that what's happening? This is where you got to make those decisions. Am I still a buyer? Could this be a fake out, or could it be a breakout? So let's sit and watch. We are still in the London Open. Let's see what happens. And price, and that's another hit. Let's go to our position right now. We are now at $199. Okay, so it's looking like it's a breakout. It's going to test it again. It's going to come back to the zone and test it, and that's when we'll see, what do we do next? Are we going to keep buying? Or when it hits this, if it breaks through, we'll keep buying. But if it rejects here, I guess we're turning seller. So let's see what we're going to do. Ooh, man, I'm thinking we're turning seller. Just getting that feeling. So I will sell the green candle if I get the opportunity. And nope, I think it's going to run away without me. Yep, there it goes. Nope. All right, I'm going to sell this. Let's sell it. We turned seller. So we're going to go from buy to sell. And I could still be wrong. This could still, end. Let's go 0.05. 0.05. Sell. And let's see what happens. A lot of the buyers back is what I want to know. They may have jumped the gun. On the on this 1 minute chart though, we're seeing a lot of flags. You got the pull, you got the flag, you got the bear move. So we got the pull and then another flag. Plus we have this bottom right here where price could at least come before it bounces or it breaks. So I'm not going to close this trade. I'm going to sit in it and we're going to see what happens. Bam. Okay. Now let's see what happens next. And I think it's a sell. I'm still going with the sell. So if we see a green candle, actually, we have another move right there, and then another move here. So we got sellers right here. Oh, come on. Why are you not doing... All right, let me delete that. But not you. Delete you. Okay, so let's... oh, that's right, because I gotta... It doesn't let me control click. I have to actually draw a new. And then we'll change you to red. Okay, apply. So there we go. So we got a seller here that's pushing price down right there. Because you can see the tumble. Tumble, tumble, tumble. Buyer comes in. Seller, tumble, 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 and it tumbles down. So we're like right at the like the breaking point between the buyers and sellers right here. So the buyers could still bring it up, hit this point again, and then drop because we don't have a double touchdown, the double bottom. Right here we do. So we could still take it up. We could still be buyers. Man, I'm conflicted now. And this is what happens. You have to, man, you really have to have nerves of steel. You have to be ready to make split decisions, and then you have to just go with it. It's kind of fun. That's why I like it. So, let's see. We are right below this move here. And we don't have like a big buyer yet. So that's what we're waiting for. And that might not happen until New York opens. So we might just be in a range right now. And I think I'm going to sell. So let's go ahead and sell. Yep. So that was a smart call. Only because right here, it didn't really touch the bottom. It kind of hit it and then bounced up. So I want to see it really like tap it. I want to see it come right there in order to know for sure that it hit the bottom. I want to know with certainty. And so that wasn't it. That was kind of it, but it looks like a buyer got a little too excited, started buying, and then we got the seller come in again and bring the price down. So I think price is going to come to, it's going to touch there. That's what I'm feeling. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Yep. Let's go ahead and open a sell order. Ooh, too soon? Too soon. Yep. Too soon. Can you imagine if I would have waited just 1 minute? 1 minute, I could have seen all this. Then I could have sold from up here. Actually, I can still sell from up here. So I'm going to go ahead and sell from up here. Now I have 2 orders. And if I want to close, we have an average in the middle. If I just want to get out of this losing trade where I'm $6 out, I can close if price comes down to here, can close at break even, which is a good thing. And we'll see. I might close at break even. Price continues to climb. But, oh, there's the seller. It's aggressively pushing price down. Okay, so let's put right there. And let's bring our stop loss on this one. Why can't I move? It's not letting me. Anyway, we can do it manually. There it goes. There it goes. Come on, come on. There. All right, so we'll close that, and then we can close this. And that is just a break even for us. See right there, right in the middle. And we are still expecting price to come to this line right here. Let's move it just a little bit further out. All right. So when price comes to here, we may turn buyer. Until then, I'm going to go ahead and keep selling. And that is a good decision. I'm happy I went with it. I'm going to wait till after this candle here. Come on, go up just a little bit more. Let me get that good price. Trying to get that great. Nah, I missed it. See, there it goes. It's going for it. And I'm gonna start buying. Let's open a buy order. So I'm gonna put in my first buy order since it touched, and we'll see where it goes. This is gonna be like the litmus test, just to kind of give us a gauge of which direction it's going in. Go. It's testing whether it's a support or a resistance. And it looks like it might be a support. So let's go ahead and open another buy. Actually, I want to see a bear candle before I buy. There we go. Right there. So let's buy it. And I'm feeling confident we can put another order in down here. Another buy order. And if we go lower, I was gonna say, if we go lower, we can take our take profit level and just take it to the top. Like we could take it up to this point. Watch, I'll show you. So we'll take the take profit, this red line, and move it up here. And that'll give us a little bit of a bigger goal. Since we're at the bottom and we're expecting price to kind of, I'm still expecting it to go up. So let's see. And we can still open other orders if price, there it goes. If price comes down, we can still open other orders. So like right now, let's go ahead and open another buy. We'll still do our scalping, but we'll let this one run. We'll let that one run up to here. Or until we think that it's going to reverse. Come on. Bam. Look at that. This is why we practice. So you can practice these moves. You have to practice these moves. It's necessary. And let's see, I kind of want to see where we're at. So we're still at the bottom here. We're still heading for this one right there. Or this right there. We're still heading for that. This is what we're going for. So let's open a buy order. And resume. Probably if it goes lower, we can probably open another one. But it didn't look like we got the chance. So we're doing pretty good now. We are $210. And this trade is up $8.45 so far. And we're headed for here. So let's see if it can make it. It might not make it during the Europe session. We might have to go into the New York session in order to get that. But if we go into the New York session, we'll probably see price retrace a little bit before it bounces. So what we'll see is something like this. Price will go up. New York will open. And then price will come down again. And then price could go up. So that's what we're expecting. A movement like that. Let's delete. So let's just keep buying. Waiting for a bear candle or a bearish move. This is pretty good. We'll go ahead and buy this. And we can buy this as well. So this is the move we're talking about. This is that move down before it goes up. So let's buy this. And we are at 200%. Now we're at 148 of our margin. We are risking a lot. We are overextended right now. Come on. Ooh, breaking my heart. So we have 3 orders in. This is definitely New York's about to open. So there's the move. There's the move we were looking for. New York, take it up. Let's see if it can catch our 2 other orders. If we closed both of these orders, we'd still be in profit, $5.40. You can't even see it. I gotta turn. Let me see if I can. Nope, you still can't see it. What if I made this all invisible? Man, is that what happened? What in the world? Okay, that completely messed up everything. What just happened? Great. I just screwed up everything. Let me see. Messing around too much. Too much. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. Big ol' head. Did you see that? Alright, anyway, I'm still in profit. You can't see it because it's behind here. But maybe I can change where the profit is. Duplicate. No, it doesn't let me adjust things. I was kind of hoping I could move the profit to somewhere over here, like maybe I can get rid of comments. Nope. There's got to be something I can do. View and modify. Well, anyway, I'll figure this out later. Let's push play and see what happens. Price is coming down. Good place to buy. I should have bought because I could have made some money. And here we go. Everything is closed. I'm in profit. $12. 14. Probably open another order. I'm going to open another buy order. And let's see if it pushes to where we're going. I'm going to open another buy order. So we're just knocking them out now. Just knocking them out. Opening another buy order right here. That's going to take our margin. We're at 150% with our margin. And we are still in, nope, now we're negative. So price has gone down too much. But I am still expecting price to go up. Expecting it. Come on. This is still our goal right here. This is still where I think price is headed. And now we have, oh yeah, New York's still open. Just got a new candle. We got a nice range building right here where we could put in, I'm going to open another buy order with a 3 pips. Because we're just in a nice range right now. I love when the market ranges and the strategy works perfect. You see that? We're in this nice range right here. I could have opened right here, bought, and this close, open, close, almost immediately. It's my favorite. Love it when it happens. It's the best. So if price goes down again, I'm going to buy. Right? No, I don't want to. Okay, I'm going to buy. Oh, I think oh, oof. It's going to hurt. It's going to hurt. Oh, it's not going to hurt. Okay, I'm done. We're getting into the afternoon session, and this is where I'm not comfortable. So I'm going to, as soon as we can hit a break even somewhere. And this is what happens. This is a $10 right now. This trade has us out at $8.55. So everything we've done today can just easily get wiped out by this one trade right here. Trade number 110. Because we bought at the top. If we would have just waited, we could have bought at the bottom and we could have been in profit twice as much. And this one's stop loss is right there too. Look how close we got to it. You can see how close we got to these right there. See, look how close. Merely pips away. So if price doesn't reverse and go up, I'm going to have to break to close at break even, or we're just going to hit stop loss and it's going to be brutal. Okay. If I close now, I close in profit. $2.40, which is better than losing money. So I got a big decision to make. Do I want to stay in this trade or do I want to get out and break even? Now remember, we are at the middle of the day and everything after this is where the most volatility is. Everything after this is just things start to slow down and I don't want to turn this into a swing trade. I want to get out and I want to be done with my day. But I think I'm going to stay in for a little bit. We'll see. Come on. Oh, that was looking so nice. That, look how close it came. I think I messed up. I think I messed up. I should have got out. Look at that. No, this is Forex. It's kind of like stock. It's currencies. You buy and you sell currencies and you just watch price go up and down and up and down, and you buy low, sell high. It's something I've gotten into. It's pretty fun. And just trying to enlighten the world or whoever wants to hear about it. Oh, hey, trade with Donald. What is up? But Limepack, nice to see you here. I usually stream in the morning. That's when I do Minecraft or papercraft stuff. But in the night, I do Forex trading. Yeah, kind of like stock. I don't do stocks though. Simply because I was told that Forex is easier for beginners. And I'm still new at this. My daily bias with Euro. I usually just, let me see, what am I on right now? What do I got? I was a buyer, but price just kept going down. So, a little disappointed with the buying. But I still think price is going to go up before it goes back down. I'm just, I don't know if you know what Forex Tester 5 is, what this is. Oh, do you trade stocks? Limepacked? I used to just buy and sell on Robinhood. Like if I saw a stock that I was interested, I would buy it. And then I learned about trading, and this kind of just blew my mind and got me real excited. So I've been doing this for about 1.5 years now. Oh, cool. Yeah, I think stocks, it's the same idea, but there's just minor differences, mostly with how you buy and how you sell. And how you can open an account and stuff. And Forex is, the thing I like about Forex though is that price goes up and down. It's not just expected to continue to rise. Yeah, that's how it is a lot. It goes one direction before it goes another direction, which is why I like Forex. Because the whole thing with stocks and companies is that everybody's expected to make money. And the thing about that also is by the time you hear about it, it's always too late. You know, you hear about, oh, this stock is doing great, buy. And then you start buying the stock. But by the time you buy, everybody's dumping because they've all made their money except you. But with Forex, it just goes up and down, up and down. It's expected to fluctuate. But let's see how this trade works out. If I'm out, there it is. Oh, it hit my stop loss. I messed up. I messed up when I should have got out right here. When price was right here, I would have been $2 in the money, and I could have closed. It wouldn't have hit my stop loss. All the profits we made today wiped out from one bad trade. And that's what I'm trying to get better at, is getting out of the bad trades, because I have a horrible tendency to let my losing trades run. And this is, a lot of people we deal with that. There's just something about us that we let our losing trades run, and you get out of your winning trades faster than you should. So that's why I bought Forex Tester 5, so I can learn how to maneuver this better. But we are still one trade in. There is still hope. I'm going to wait for it to get into the money, and then I'm going to close it. $2. I mean, our aim is still right there. We're still aiming for that number right there. This line right here. But I'm practicing on EURUSD because this is all I trade right now. I used to trade the NAS 100, but man, it was brutal. NAS 100, it moves wild. The moves it makes, it swings. And if you're on the wrong side of the swing, you will get smacked. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, that's why the guy I'm training with, we use a 35 pip stop loss, which we catch 3 pips, but our stop loss is 35 pips, and he teaches us how to manage the drawdown, like how to average out of a bad trade, how to use 35 pips to average out or to wait for it to swing back. It's a lot of room, but the problem is like this trade right here, when you let it hit and it's a $15 loss. So the smart thing would have been to close right there, or when it came right here. So let's see if price continues to go up. And it's looking good. I might just close it now. We're at $12.09. And we're in the second half of the New York session. After lunch, everybody's done. People are just waiting for their orders to close or to stop out. And it looks like it might be Tokyo when we get the move that hits this area right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this when it hits right there. So that's it. Our profit today was $10. We made $10 today on the London and New York session. And we let one trade go to stop loss, which almost ruined us. But that was our session today. Do this once again tomorrow. I don't know what time was it. 6 o'clock, I think we started. 7 o'clock Eastern time. I don't know what GMT that is. But I'll be doing this again tomorrow. Yeah, not too bad. $10 is all right. It's when you start getting greedy and you start making those big numbers, like you're throwing in 0.1 lot or 0.5 or even one standard lot, expecting it to, like, hoping for the best, that's when you really get messed up. But we're learning a lot. That's the whole point, is to get better. And it takes a lot of work and dedication. But Linepack, thanks for stopping by. I hope this was fun and entertaining. Trade with Donald, nice to see you too. And of course, that viewer in the back always watching, thank you so much for being there. And I'm gonna sign out and go eat dinner, and then I gotta go to work, which pays the bills. And I'm hoping that trading will soon pay the bills. That's why I'm doing this. And other than that, one thing I want everybody to remember: neurons that fire together, wire together. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Smells good. I can smell it right now. See you in the chats.